Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a trade from Helen, which is Helen loves to create. This is was supposed to be to me weeks ago, and it came today. So I'm just going to get it all out. I'm usually doing things one-handed, so okay, everything. Okay, so let's see. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tina. I hope you enjoy your birthday month. Thank you for being sweet and kind and attentive friend. Many blessings for you and your family. Helen loves to create. Oh, that's a cute card. And look at the little ATC birthday Winnie the Pooh. Like the little candy and a birthday cake. And of course it has all their information on the back. Helen loves to create. And we have little Winnie the Pooh. Oh, we open. Oh, look how this opens. I thought I ripped it accidentally. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cute. Okay. And let's see. We got little cards, little bow, and they're just little, like little playing, like not playing cards, little cards. Jesus. This has got like little paintbrush and tools on it. Greeting cards. And like a little porky pig. Cute. And then I'll just open one of these to show you. It looks like they're okay. They're the same. So we have a little flower. And then it says especially for you. A little string. And then a little envelope with a little piece in it to create something. That's cute. And there's a couple of them. Them are neat. And then we got, ooh, sorry, I have to watch how I turn my wrist. C is for cute, Z is for Zanny, and I is for industrious. Them are cool. And they're not like vellum, they're like plastic. That's kind of cool. See? Them are cool. Thank you so much, Helen. Put that there. And I will do a page in my friendship journal book later when I can do more with both hands. So we'll put that right there. And then this one is, we're doing a monthly trade. And this is April's trade. And it's steampunkish. Envelope. Isn't that cool? Alright. Sabrina, I, and Helen are in a trade, and then each one of us come up with a different theme for each month. And I picked this month, which was steampunk. So here, she did a good job. I like it. With the gears, and look at the hinges. She's got like little screws on top, right there. And then she's got them distressed. And then this is embossed in the background. I like that, Helen. Thank you so much. And she mailed this one and this one after, and they both showed up today. Finally. We were worried about the second one, or the first one. So, thank you so much, Helen. I enjoyed it. Like I said, I will do a little page layout in my book with the goodies once I can use both my hands. So, I want to thank everybody, as always, for watching. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny. Be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody.